50,000 and laptops, Intel processor or Ryzen? Which is the best laptop for coding, gaming and editing? Which processor series should I purchase? U, P, H or HS? What laptop specs do I check for my requirements? In this video, you will get answers for all your questions. After extensive research and testing, we have come up with top 6 laptops. I challenge you won't be able to find any processor that is more powerful than these under 50k budget. Now let's get started. Starting off with the most affordable option, on the list we have Asus VivoBook 15 at 38,990. This laptop comes with Intel i3 1220 12th generation P series processor, 10 cores, 12 threads. In this range, we get UP H series laptops. U series is made for Excel, Google Chrome, low power tasks. P series is made for slightly powerful tasks like coding, Photoshop, etc. And H series is made for powerful tasks like gaming, video editing. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. This is the only P series laptop that you get in this budget range. The performance of this will be more than U series. Cinebench scores are here. The performance of this is more than even Intel i5 11400H and is close to Ryzen 7 7730U. This is going to be definitely a value for money laptop. This can easily handle intermediate level of coding and good at multitasking, and can handle multiple daily tasks like web browsing, Microsoft Word applications, watching videos. This laptop comes with 8GB DDR4 RAM, expandable up to 16GB, 512GB of SSD storage, standard 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with 200 nits of brightness and 45% NTSC value. IPS is the best quality display available in the market. You can enjoy watching videos. It has superior color accuracy and consistency compared to TN and other displays. When tested, it gave a good battery backup of 8 hours. It has fingerprint sensor, a strong build quality with certified military grade durability, has 180-degree hinge. What else do you need at this price? In terms of ports, we have USB Type-A and Type-C ports. In my opinion, this is the best budget powerful laptop for students for programming and daily usage. All laptops that I talk about in this video will be in the description down below. At number 2, we have the Lenovo ThinkBook 15. Its current price is 42,990. With Ryzen 7 7730U, this comes with 8 cores, 16 threads. This is AMD's latest 7000 series processor. Cinebench scores of the processor are here. You can see the performance of this is more than i5 1132H series. Laptop comes with 16GB DDR4 RAM, expandable up to 24GB. This processor will easily handle all the heavy tasks without getting hang. This has AMD's integrated Radeon graphics, and we know that AMD's integrated GPU is much more powerful than Intel's integrated GPU. This has standard 512GB SSD and 15.6-inch of Full HD TN anti-glare display with 250 nits brightness. Color saturation of TN display is not that great, like IPS panel is the only disappointing parameter. Again, laptop also comes with fingerprint sensor and a strong build quality with certified military grade durability, 180-degree hinge, 45 Wh of battery capacity. In terms of ports, we get Type-A USB port, HDMI and Ethernet jack and a card reader. With that said, this will be the best laptop for the working professionals and business. You can buy this without a second thought and your laptop will be able to satisfy all your requirements. At number 3, we have MSI Modern 14 at 49,000. This laptop comes with Intel i7 1255 12th Gen U series processor. i7 is much more powerful than i5 and i3, and this is the only i7 laptop that you get in this budget range. Let's see the Cinebench scores. Performance of this processor is much more than i5 11400H series and Ryzen 7 7730U. This laptop comes with 16GB DDR4 RAM, but unfortunately it's not expandable, but should be enough to handle everyday tasks. This has a standard storage space of 512GB SSD, which you get in all laptops in this range. With a compact display of 14-inch, 250 nits brightness and 45% NTSC value, and a thin body of 1.4 kg, This makes a perfect choice for professionals who get to travel very often and carrying big heavy laptops is tiring. Low weight comes with a compromise in low capacity battery of 39.3 watt-hours with only 4 to 5 hours of battery life. But other side, this has 180-degree hinge, backlight keyboard, USB Type-A and Type-C ports, HDMI jack and a SD card reader. In my opinion, with the latest powerful processor i7 and a thin compact body, it is most suitable for students and professionals who get to travel more often. Now let's get into some heavy H-series high-end laptops. Before that, let's understand some key points here. Generation. Always buy the latest generation processor. This will have all the hardware bugs fixed seen in the previous generations. Intel's highest generation is usually 13, so never buy processors below 11th generation. Application. Let's understand how applications work. If you are a graphic designer, you should know that the static image processing runs purely on CPU utilizing RAM. So you do not need gaming laptops with graphic card. But you should definitely consider display with IPS panel for color accuracy with brightness more than 250 nits and a good NTSC value of 72% and above with 100% sRGB value. Whereas video editing utilizes both CPU and GPU, utilizing both RAM and VRAM. So consider laptops with H-series processor with graphic card. Heavy coding. If you are an engineer running heavy softwares for programming, then you need to understand that these softwares purely run on CPU utilizing RAM memory. So heavy coding requires H-series processor and you do not require graphics card. Whereas if you are a student, then intermediate programming goes good even with P-series processor without graphics card. Coming to gamers, gaming purely runs on GPU utilizing VRAM memory. So you should consider laptops with graphics card RTX series and with DLSS for better performance and higher TPG wattage value, whereas power of the CPU does not matter here. With that being said, let's get into high-end laptops. At number 4, we have Asus TUF Gaming F15. With a current price of $49,890, this laptop comes with Intel i5 11400 11th Gen H-series processor, 6 cores, 12 threads, and a NVIDIA RTX 2050 DLSS with TPG 70 watt. This is the highest graphics card configuration that you will get in this price range. All the gaming scores are here. You can pause the video and check. In terms of memory, laptop comes with 8GB DDR4 RAM expandable till 32GB. I suggest you to expand RAM minimum to 16GB since 8GB cannot handle heavy gaming nor heavy video editing. Coming back, this has 512GB SSD and a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare panel with 250 nits of brightness, a RGB keyboard and a strong military-grade durability, build quality, 48 hours of battery with 6 hours of battery life. In terms of ports, we have USB port A, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI jack and a Ethernet port, which makes it a best budget powerful laptop for gaming and video editing. You can also use this for heavy coding. This is definitely good compared to popular Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3, so it's not on my list. I am here to give only the best of the best laptops. Next, at number 5, we have Asus VivoBook 15. At $52,990, this laptop comes with Intel i5 12500 12th Gen H-series processor, 12 cores, 16 threads. This is the most powerful processor you get in this price range. And I can challenge, you won't get any processor powerful than this. You can see the Cinebench scores of this are much higher than all the laptop, making it a best choice for heavy coding. In terms of the memory, we have 16GB DDR4 RAM expandable up to 24GB and 521GB SSD and a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare panel with 220 nits of brightness and a NTSC value of 45%, but a little low battery capacity of 42 watt-hours and 6 hours of battery life. This comes with 180-degree hinge and a strong build quality certified by military-grade durability. This has backlight keyboard, and in terms of ports, we have USB Type-A, Type-C and HDMI jack. Since this do not come with a dedicated graphics card, this cannot be used for gaming or video editing. This is the best choice for engineers for running all the heavy softwares, making it the best heavy coding laptop. And finally, rounding out our list, at number 6 we have Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3. This laptop comes with Intel i5 12450 12th Gen H series processor with 8 cores and 12 threads. 12450 processor is little less powerful than previous 12500 processor. You can see the cinnamon cores of this are close to Asus VivoBook. And in terms of the memory, we have 16GB DDR5 RAM. Unfortunately, this is not expandable. But this has the latest version of DDR5, which is much more faster than DDR4, and your system will operate super fast. Coming to display, this has 15.6 inch of Full HD IPS anti-glare panel with brightness of 300 nits, which is more than any other laptops we discussed till now. This is best suitable for graphics designer where color accuracy is crucial need. This also comes with most powerful battery capacity of 47 watts, which can easily go for 11 hours. With military grade durability, backlight keyboard and a fingerprint sensor, this makes a great laptop. In terms of ports, we have USB Type-A and a Type-C port, a HDMI jack and a SD card reader. With a tremendous display and a powerful processor, this is a great choice for graphics designer, but this cannot be used for video editing, but can handle heavy programming. With that said, to understand laptops in detail, please watch my video on laptop buying guide and comment which laptop did you find worth buying. Till then, happy computing!